Welcome to Professor Quizwell's channel, and our guest the zoomed-in animal. I'm Professor Quizwell, and I will give you 3 clues. You'll then have 5 seconds to make your guess. You get 1 point for each correct answer. Have fun and let's get started. Lion. Elephant. Giraffe. Tiger. Cheetah. Interesting fact: a giraffe's long tongue can reach up to 18 inches, 45 centimeters, in length. Zebra. Panda. Koala. Penguin. Dolphin. Kangaroo. Polar bear. Interesting fact: polar bears have an exceptional sense of smell, capable of detecting seals up to 20 miles, 32 kilometers, away. Gorilla. Orangutan. Snow leopard. Chimpanzee. Red fox. Owl. Peacock. Bald eagle. Flamingo. Interesting fact: the male platypus has venomous spurs on its hind legs. It is the only mammal known to produce venom. Meerkat. Red panda. Jaguar. Hippopotamus. Raccoon. Sloth. Ostrich. Interesting fact: during mating displays, male blue-footed boobies show off their bright blue feet to attract females. Chameleon. Seahorse. Platypus. Armadillo. Hedgehog. Otter. Walrus. Komodo dragon. Red-crowned crane. Toucan. Emperor penguin. Interesting fact: hummingbirds' wings can beat up to 80 times per second, allowing them to fly in any direction, including backward. Dog. Hummingbird. Lemur. Llama. Quokka. Last one. Tasmanian devil. Great job. I hope you had fun. Now let's get your results. Over 35, you are a wildlife whiz. Well done. If you have 20 to 34, you are a creature connoisseur. Superb. If you have under 20, you are critter cadet. Good going. Please let us know in the comments how you did. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our fun quizzes and games. Quiz on.